Good morning, guys. Good morning, guys. Today, today I'm gonna explain on how I entered this trade, our time strategy. As you can see, guys, this is the strategy that we use only to make money in the forex market. We also have a robot. We automated this strategy so that for those who can wake up on the times that we wake up on, they can at least be able to be covered as well. So guys, what did I do? Okay, this is what is happening here. Let me just remove both of them so that you guys can see how we did this. Okay, so what is happening is when I was looking, I'm gonna show you the steps that I took to enter this trade. I'm gonna take you through those steps so that you guys can see and apply the same thing every time when you trade. I won't be going to other pairs because they didn't give me any opportunity, but every time in the morning I would like for you to look at what happened here so that you can be able to enter successful trades. So with this trade we were able to make around, let me see, as you can see, with this trade, we were able to make around 1,500 US dollars, guys. 1,500 US dollars. This is what is happening. So, guys, going forward, we use 5-minute chart to enter our trades. What happened is that I went to my trade. I woke up around 1 a.m. in the morning, South African time. So I went and spotted where the trend started. So we started from in South African time 21, it's 11. So I did this. I went to 11:55 where the downtrend started, as you can see. Then we pushed from 12 o'clock. The whole hour of 12 o'clock, the market was going on a down direction. Then, as you can see here, this is where the market opened. This is where we woke up. This is where we must analyze the previous movement so that we get the present movement for the market for the day. Then this is what happened here. I entered my buy. The market showed me that man, I'm going up around here it was already 2 around 3. The market said, man, I'm going up. Then I entered another trade here. Then the market pushed up until now 5 o'clock, which is the first 5 o'clock, which is the first time to close our trades. If we entered the trade and it moved until 5 o'clock, it shows a positive movement. That trade we close or we protect. It depends how much is your target. So my target here was around 300. It was around, yes, $1,500. So half of the amount, quarter of the amount that I have right now. So how did I confirm that this trade is a buy? You know what I did? I went to my investing.com to see my yearly and 5-year movement. Let's go. As you can see, this is what I saw. Then I went to my 5-year. I saw that, okay, on 5-year, the market is a plus 0.60% buy. Then plus 6.84% buy. Then I did what? I went to see the structure, the market structure. Remember, the numbers can give you a positive, but you have to see the structure, whether the structure, as you can see down there, it says 5-year. We want the 5-year. As you can see, the structure for a 5-year, it gives us a beautiful structure from the previous turning point going up. So the market is facing up. Then we jump the 3-year, we go to the 1-year. On the 1-year, it shows a clear movement of uptrend, so which is the possibility for the market today on 5-minute chart to go upwards are very high. So we are not done. This is another feature that we find out during the road. So we're going to Google. Now we go into Google. Whether the market will favor us. What do? We want to know. Let There we go. There we go. As you can see on your Google will look like this. As you can see at it will say all, then it say AI mode. So what are we searching now? We search whether we want to know whether euro is powerful. So we start by separating the pair. We search about euro, then we search about USD, then we search them together. We see what do we get for today. We go to AI mode. AI mode, the reason why we go to AI mode is that, guys, AI mode gathers information of every market site is connected to and make it one and give us the overall meaning of what we are searching for. So that is why we use AI mode. So it says on Friday, okay, it says on Friday, October 3 October, which was Friday, yes, the Euro US dollar exchange was 1.173, reflecting a slight decrease of 0.17% from previous market day. This indicates a minor weakening against the US on the US dollar on that specific day. So they give us the historical data of Friday. So let's go and see. We want the overall data. Euro GBP growth, positive trade balance generally strengthen the euro, while weaker indicator can lead to depreciation. So the central bank policies, the Euro Central Bank's interest rate decision and monetary policy tool like quantitative easing significantly impact euro value. A higher interest rate typically attract foreign investment and strengthen the euro. So the central bank, remember, it's one of the best good currency analysts. So the statement here is positive because we can see a higher interest rate, we can see attract foreign investment, and we can see the conclusion is to strengthen the euro. This, whatever activity that will be happening, will be strengthening the euro. So another one is that the geopolitical event and political stability with eurozone influence market sentiment and can cause a volatility in euro exchange rate. So even this statement here is highly positive, guys. So which gives us which give us more power to focus on the buys when we go to euro. So euro will be very powerful. A high inflation can lead a weaker euro as it erodes purchasing power, while moderate inflation support the euro value. So this statement here, it's in between. It's giving us the in between decision. So, but the overall is that the euro went down with at least negative 0.17%, which is not a lot. It's not one to cry for. So which means the euro is still standing firm. The euro is still standing firm. So let's go and see what the US is saying. Let's see what the US is saying so that we can confirm whether this trade was worth it to buy or we just gambled. So we erase this thing of gambling. We have to know whether what is going on in the market. So here we're searching about the USD. We're searching about the USD now. Okay, they say the US dollar is currently slightly weaker. You can see the US dollar is weak, guys. So the euro gave us, they didn't necessarily say it's weak, but they give us sentiments that made it to drop a little. But looking at this, it's telling us that the US is currently slightly weaker today at 5 on the US dollar is worth 17 rand, and showing the slight decrease compare opening value of 17.26 cents rand. So over the last 7 days, the GBP USD market higher and low. Okay, as as of early August, the US has lost. You can check if the statement is negative, which means it will be affected. The US has lost ground against most major currencies, including the euro and British pound and GBP, JPY, and Canadian dollar, due to softer economy data and changing rate expectations. Okay, you can see here they don't give us much, but you can see that the first statement that we came across, it's telling us that the US dollar is currently slightly weaker. For today, the US is weaker, so which means you can even see the analysis here. The analysis shows it's red. It shows that the USD is weak. So now what do we do? Let's go and check Euro USD so that we can see the overall movement that we are looking for. So I was searching this at 1 a.m. guys, at 1 a.m. knowing that around 5 I will be closing my trades, then I'm done for the day. So this, you can only do this around 1 a.m. So if you go for 5 and what, you can be in a problem of manipulation, market manipulation. So you might not get clear move. So the Euro USD exchange is trading approximately 1.17 cents as of October 6, 3:11 a.m. So which means they're giving us the movement. So which is, you can see here, which means it's green, which means the Euro USD is buying what? Is buying the euro is buying the USD, since the USD is weakening. So current intraday base neutral euro, they say the Euro USD is neutral, with a pair consolidating with narrow range and near 1.17. The recent trend pair test support the below 1.17 before the recovering of near 1.1740. Recently, short-term trend measures suggest up base. So which means here that this they're giving us the trend. So which means the overall movement for Euro USD is a bullish, as they say, the up base. So the support level are noted around 1.17, and the resistance here they're just giving you the ranges, which are not important. What do we want? We want the statement that give us the trend or give us the direction. So the uncertainty from US government shutdown, you can see when we go the influencing factor, the factor that the statement that influences the euro to buy US dollar, or for the US dollar to be weak, is that the US government shutdown, the delayed economic data, has created a notably unstable environment where the sharp move could occur. Global risk sentiment and remains positive, indirectly supporting the euro by diverting flows away from the dollar. Easing energy costs are providing modest support to the euro, though the weak eurozone data weighs on sentiment. So as you can see, the uncertainty from the US government shutdown, you can see if the statement is negative, they're talking about shutdowns and what. So it shows that Euro USD has the opportunity and the possibility to buy. You understand? So this is why this gave us the opportunity to buy. And the other factor that influenced us to buy is that every morning the market has to be against the original trend on the smaller time frame. So this gave us, if this was going up, was giving us a buy, we were not gonna buy this. Even though it went up, we were not gonna buy it. We were just gonna leave it and not trade it. But if we see all the tools coming together, even though we entered, as you can see, we entered very aggressively here. We knew that this, no matter what, around 5 we will be closing. So I have to close my trades, guys. I hope you understand the strategy. You can go to our description, inbox us on the information you see there, so that we can put you under live session and also give you our trading robot as well. So we are here to make sure you understand our new strategy, development strategy, where we follow time to enter our trades. Danko.